What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, i-unbox ko yung parang 3 months worth of online. Ayun lang. May gustong sumali. Okay, let's welcome Kobe the baby. So, he wants to join my unboxing. Ayan. O sige, dyan ka. Okay, so ito, 3 months worth of online ordering and online shopping and ipon. Bago ko nabili lahat to, madami akong racket na ginawa. Today, i-unbox ko yung GoPro 7. Okay, so in-order ko to online, GoPro 7. Also, bundle siya. May kasama ng GoPro battery. Ayan. And microphone for vlogging. Tapos, ano pa ba? This one. The microphone adapter. Okay, so, let's do it. Let's start unboxing. Okay, so Kobe, you sit down here. Ano bang unahin ko? Sige, syempre unahin muna natin yung GoPro. Okay, so, okay. Yan, si Kobe excited. Kita niyo naman. Here you go, Kobe. Here, you want the plastic? There you go, guys. Yung GoPro 7 is 12 megapixels, 4K, 1080p yung resolution niya, 10 meters or 33 feet, waterproof, and touchscreen, 8 times yung slow motion niya, may GPS, and hyper smooth. Or ano siya, parang gimbal-like daw yung stabilization niya. So, I'm gonna be testing it as well. Okay, so let's start with unboxing. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan, mas okay yung lighting. Inayos ko yung lighting para makita niyo yung box. Ayan. Okay, so we're gonna pull this tab. Pangit ng pagkakapunit ko. Ayan. Okay. There you go. Ooh, there you go, guys. Ayan na siya. GoPro 7. And may instruction on how to remove it. Let's open it. There you go. And of course, ang mga manual dito. And sticker. Oh, nice stickers. Ang ganda ng stickers, guys. Oh. Waterproof din yung sticker niya. Okay. And tignan pa natin. Can you move? Can you move? Yan. Sit. Tignan pa natin kung ano nasa loob. Ayan. May mga mount. This one. Yung slanted, then straight. Of course, yung USB to Type-C wire. And battery. Okay. Let's put it there. Kobe, what are you eating, huh? What's that? What's that you're eating, huh? Okay, next. No more. Wala na. Wala nang laman yung box. Okay. Remove daw. Paano ba to? Ayan. Huh, may kinakain si Kobe. Wait, what's that? Ah! Ayan. Ano kaya ito? Natatanggal ba ito? Oh, yeah. Rubber. Oh, there. Okay. So, ito. Natatanggal pala siya. Snap-on. First time ko lang kasi magkaroon ng bagong GoPro. Sobrang tagal na nung nagka-GoPro ko. Parang GoPro 3 Plus yung last GoPro ko. So, ayan. Because ito pala yung parang pang-insert sa mga mount. Ayan. O sige, si Kobe nang gugulo. So, babalik ko na yung box. So, there. Ayan. So, we're done with the GoPro. Next is, let's open the battery. Okay, let's open it. Ayan, si Kobe. O, sa'yo na yung plastic. Okay. I need my cutter. Okay. There you go. So, battery. Put it there. No. Sit down. And another USB to Type-C wire. And of course, hey, no. And of course, the charging port. The charging port na yan, GoPro. Okay. No. And ano pang laman ng box? Of course, manual. Ayan. Kobe. Manual. Pero hindi ko naman na binabasa yan. Dali lang naman siyang gamitin. What's that? No! There. Okay. Next is, ow! Kinagat ako ni Kobe. Next is the adapter. Ito. Ito naman is para magamit ko yung external mic sa GoPro. Okay. Oh, plastic. O, gusto daw ni Kobe yung plastic. I need my cutter again. Here you go. Okay, yan. Okay. Stop it. Ayan. So, what's in the box? Lifetime warranty card. Tapos, ito na siya, guys. Yan. This one. Ito yung adapter. So, you can use the external microphone on your GoPro. How do you like it, Kobe? Okay? Back the box. Stop! Okay. And then, next one is the microphone. Ayan, microphone. Aray! Si Kobe gusto niya din mag-open. Oh, okay. So, ito, external microphone na maliit para sa GoPro. Okay. Unbox natin. Actually, nabuksan ko na to. Hindi ko lang na-record. Kasi gusto ko sana sabay-sabay. Ayan. Yan yung brand niya, Boya. In order to sa Shopee. I think mga 800 pesos. Tapos ginamit ko syempre yung Shopee coins. Gumamit kayo guys ng Shopee coins. Ayan. Okay, so, aray ko! So, ito yung mic. Aray! Kubino! Ito yung mic, guys. Ito, may cover siya. And then, may mga wire para sa pangsaksak sa camera. Ayan. Ayan siya. Mamaya, I will assemble my ano ba tawag dito? My GoPro, kung anong magiging itsura niya pag kinabit ko na lahat to. Lagay muna natin dito. Aray ko! Also guys, ito, this is a frame for GoPro para malagyan ko ng mic and makabit ko yung adapter. Bumili din ako sa Shopee. Mga 250 yata to. Ayan. So, itong mga to, inipon ko bago ko vinlog. Ayan, gusto ni Kobe yung bubble wrap. Inipon ko bago ko vinlog para sabay-sabay. Okay. So, now I'll try to assemble it. Okay. Kita ba ako dito? Kita naman. Okay. So, first, ito yung GoPro. Ang ganin lang natin siya dun sa frame, nakasama. Medyo madikit. Okay, so itong GoPro na to, waterproof na siya without the case. Hindi katulad ng mga yung GoPro ko dati. GoPro 3, kailangan may case pa underwater. Ayun, ang ingay ni Kobe. I think, quiet. Sige, try natin ilagay yung battery. O, ganito yata yung battery. Ayan, snap. Hala, hindi ako marunong. Ba't ganun? Kobe! No! Don't eat that! Ay, hindi na kita isasano! Bababa kita. Sit down. Sit down. Look, look, GoPro, ang galing, diba? So, walang battery. Kailangan ko munang i-charge. But, I'll show you my, I'll show you kung anong itsura niya. So, ito. Mamaya charge ko na lang siguro. Okay, so, ayan. Ito yung binili kong frame. Ulanzi yung brand nung frame. Kailangan lang ng konting push. Ayun, okay. Ayan, so, nalagay ko na sa loob yung GoPro. Next is, kailangan ko ng base, like parang mini tripod. This one is an old one. Ito na lang yung gagamitin. Okay, so ito yung adapter. Ayan. There. Ito yung adapter ng mic. Isasaksak ko na. Kaso naririnig nyo si Hazel eh. Ano ba i-insert ko? Ayan. Ayan, na-insert ko na yung adapter. So, fit na fit siya dito sa ilalim. It was really made for this. Ayun. Kaso, hindi ko pala natanggal yung yan, ganyan siya. Tapos, ipa-plug dito. Tapos, this is where you will put the mic. Ayan, dito. And then, of course, yung wire. Wire for the mic. Wire for the mic. Alright, so ganyan yung magiging setup ko. Pag nagvo-vlog or pag magvo-vlog ako outside. So, yan guys. Ito yung for me mas maliit, mas madali. Hindi pa ako nakapag-vlog outside since bawal pa masyadong lumabas. But on my next trip sa grocery or sa palengke, I'll try to vlog para makita nyo din yung mga ginagawa ko sa labas. So, that's it for today's unboxing. And, Kobe, yes. Alright, so that's it for today's unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, this unboxing video. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And see you on my next vlog. Peace!
Hey, feeling